Hello and welcome back. In previous videos we have explained why OSI model is introduced and what is application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer and network layer. In this video we are going to talk about OSI model data link layer. Data link layer receives data packets from network layer. Data packets contain IP addresses of sender and receiver. There are two types of addresses: logical address and physical address. Logical addressing is done at network layer, where senders and receivers IP addresses are assigned to each segment to form a data packet. Physical addressing is done at data link layer, where MAC addresses of sender and receiver are assigned to each data packet to form a frame. MAC address is 12-digit alpha character number embedded in network interface card of your computer by your computer manufacturer. Data unit in data link layer is called frame. Data link layer is embedded as software in network interface card of your computer and provide means to transfer data from one computer to another in local media. Local media includes copper wire, optical fiber, or air for production signals. Please note, here media doesn't correspond to audio, video, or animation. It refers to the physical link between two or more computers or networks. Data link layer performs two basic functions. It allows upper layer of OSI model to access the media using techniques such as framing. It controls how data is placed and received from the media using techniques such as media access control and error detection. Consider two distant hosts, the laptop and the desktop, communicating with each other. As laptop and desktop are connecting to different networks, so they will be using network layer protocol, IP, to communicate with each other. In this example, desktop is connected with router R1 via Ethernet cable. Router R1 and R2 are connected via satellite link. The laptop is connected to router R2. Via wireless link, now desktop wants to send some data to laptop based on media used to connect to desktop and router R1. Data link layer adds some data in the head and tail of IP packet and converts it to a frame. Ethernet frame in this case. Router R1 receives the Ethernet frame, decapsulate it to an IP packet and then encapsulate it again to a frame so that it can cross satellite link to reach router 2. Router R2 will again decapsulate the received frame and encapsulate it again to form a wireless data link frame. Laptop receives this wireless data link frame, decapsulate it, and then forward IP packet to network layer. Finally, data arrives at application layer. Application layer protocols then make the received data visible on computer screen. So network layer or a higher level layer are able to transfer data over the media with the help of data link layer. That is data link layer. It provides access to media or higher layers of OSI model. Data link layer also controls how data is placed and received from the media. The technique used to get the frame on and off the media is called media access control. There are maybe a number of devices connected to common media. If two or more devices connected to same media sending data at the same time, then there may be a possibility of collision of two messages resulting in useless message that neither recipient can understand. To avoid this situation, data link layer keeps an eye on when the shared media is free so that device can transmit the data for the receiver. This is called CSMA, carrier sense of multiple access. So data link layer with this media access control method controls data transmission. Tail of each frame contains bits, which are used to detect errors in the receiver frame. Error occurs due to the certain limitation of media used for transmitting data.